Hi, I'm Marna, and today I'm pretty excited because this, please, 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 should be a Blythe doll. Our mail is so messed up. I won't even do a rant about it, but I will say that Darren just made a claim to AliExpress. Our 90 days are almost up on 3 of the Blythe dolls that have not arrived. It's taken weeks and weeks and weeks. I don't mind waiting, except I shouldn't have to wait. And then I hear people all over YouTube talking about, oh, 10 days, 2 weeks. And it's like, oh. Anyway, yesterday the mailman came and one of the dolls I'm still expecting, well, several, and one came. So what we're going to do is open this and then I'm going to tell you about that. But it is always fun to go to the mailbox and find packages. Don't we all just love that? You know, you go to the mailbox, you usually don't get anything. Oh, wow, don't get anything, don't get anything, don't get anything, and then, look at this, a package. Okay, these are some, oh, wow, these are really cute. These are some knitted, oh, I love that. I'm looking at the chubby Blythe doll on AliExpress. And she's really cute, but she's really expensive. And I can't find how to open this. I wanted to open and show you this. I'm going to tear it in a second. I try to save these little packages and put the little clothes back in them. Here we go. Because A, I don't want to throw them away for the environment, and B, it's a nice way to store them. Anyway, they have this little chubby Blythe doll on AliExpress, and I saw this and it was very inexpensive. Wow, that's really well made. Holy cow, that's well made. So I thought I'd get it just in case I do buy that little chubby girl, and if not, it'll fit the what we call the curvy Barbies. Isn't that little dress cute? Boy, that's really cute. Oh, I thought it Velcroed. It does not, but still really cute. And then I bought these little dresses. I'm doing a collaboration for Valentine's Day on YouTube with some friends, doll friends. And I thought, well, if I can't get the dress made the way that I want, maybe I could just enhance this or send it or whatever. Because I hate to send her nothing. Just kidding. Anyway, these little outfits were not expensive. And then this green one is a lot like this. I just thought they were cute. So that's some Blythe clothes I got that were very reasonably priced. I don't know if you shop for Blythe clothes or even Barbie clothes. Not only are doll clothes getting expensive, some of them are like, are you kidding me? Okay, so I got packages in package. So let's open these up. I'm pretty sure these are AliExpress because they came with Darren's name. Ooh, look what I got. More clothes. Oh, wow. I bought this little coat because it looked real cute. I have some of these for Barbie, and they're actually very nice. This is actually nicer. Oh, howling cats. That is... I can't even tell you how soft that is. That is really cute. Little Blythe coat. I mean, it's not lined or anything, but when you shut it, who knows? Very cute. Very cute. And it was inexpensive. I bought these before, and they look really cute on the Blythes and the Barbies and the Liv dolls, and now that one's a little tighter, but like all those little dolls, the 12-inch-ish fashion dolls, these are really cute. You can use them for a sweater or a dress. You know me, I like it short and sexy. It's a dress. And then let's see what's in this one. At some point in the game, I should have some shoes coming. I ordered some Blythe tennis shoes that were advertised as Blythe tennis shoes. I don't know who they're going to fit. I have dolls. I like having shoes, but they weren't the size I thought. This is real cute. I've ordered these before. It's a little pleather coat, and they have the little zipper. It's not a real zipper. It's just partial. but it's cute. And a little tank top, a little tulle skirt, just a little outfit that I think is cute, cute, cute. Okay, so here we are. Oh, wait, teaser alert. Oh, cool. I went in Goodwill yesterday and look what I found. This was amazing. And they had a bunch of these outfits for 18-inch dolls, but there was a lady standing dead in front of them buying them up. They must have had 10. And most of them were $2. This one was $3 because it has a little cape to go with it. But she was buying them. She took this one, she set it down, and the minute her hand left it, I grabbed it. We're gonna have a St. Patrick's Day virtual video again that we're gonna ask you all to participate in. And I got this for that, for my 18-inch dolls. Okay, so $3 for that. And then these shoes were with it. Am I in love with these shoes? I am not, but they were 50 cents. So I was pleased. I think they're, that's weird. But you know, St. Patrick's Day, we're fun and whimsical things. I love this fabric on this dress. Let me move that so you can see how it shines and sparkles. I just think that is so cute. One of my little gals is going to be cute, cute, cute in this. All right, let's get to who came. I'm thrilled. My boy finally came. Oh, I thought I got one with eye chips. Okay, this is hilarious. This is my boy Blythe, my second boy Blythe. I never get free gifts. Everybody gets free gifts, I don't. Okay, I got the hands, and I'm not, maybe he just came with those. I don't remember ordering the hands because I have a ton of them. But look what I got with him. And then I ordered a dress like this, so I kind of think this was part of my order, but I don't know for sure. But you have to see this little dress. I absolutely love it. This is going to be so cute with those little black shoes. It is kind of a, it's a summer dress. I think it's a halter. Yeah, it's a little halter dress. Look at the little kitties and pandas and zebras. Isn't that adorable? And look at this trim. And these little outfits on AliExpress are not expensive. It's a really good place to find them. Are they made well? You know what? I think they are. A lot of them are made very well. Some aren't, but you know, that's better than I could do. Anyway, I really like them. Okay, let's open him up. I have my other boy, Blythe, standing here. He still needs his face. I was waiting for some other Blythe dolls to come because they had extra face plates. And I was hoping to have those before I dove into the customizing. And he's gonna need a haircut. I mean, this is cute hair and all, but you can't even see his face for that hair. I made his outfit. I took some leggings and I made these little jeans for him. And then I made his little t-shirt out of a t-shirt I cut apart, like a child-sized t-shirt. And I enhanced his boots. He needed blue ones. I thought the blue were more his color than the white. His name is Rex. I am working on a name for this one. I keep coming back to Paul, and I thought, why is it always Rex and Paul? Well, I remembered when I was a little kid. I mean, little kid. It's funny when you get old, all those things come flooding back to you. Down the road from us, I had a pony, and I would ride my pony down the road, and some kids moved in, and there were two brothers, and Rex was my boyfriend, but he had a brother named Paul, and so that's why I keep going with Rex and Paul. Okay, his hair is a lot like Rex's hair was when he first came. It just keeps like getting longer and poofier, and so I'll probably have to cut his hair too. Now I'm telling you, I did not order a doll without chips. But let's see, yeah, he's chipless. I do have some chips, but the chips that I have need the eyeball chip to change it, I believe. I believe they're just paper. So he is just empty. We'll have to contact them. And I'll have to get him some clothes or make him some clothes. Actually, I've been making boy clothes too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.